I've never seen a company take care of their employees the way that Glidewell does. It's an awesome company to work for. I just love the way they take care of their employees, and I think to me that's the best. And what I really like about it is Mr. Glidewell. You see him walking through the company, and that's what's awesome about it, that he's there at work every day. You don't get that from many, company owners, so it just makes you want to work even harder.
Today here we get to spend together with our family, and they get to see the people who we work with every day, and we get to share our family to the other employers there too. So it's really fun how we all come together in one big theme park.
For me, it's the togetherness, all the different people in the different departments. You build many relationships and you become close over time.
The thing I like, because all kind of people, you learn from culture, everybody different. And also they very nice. Yeah, that's good company to work.
More than anything else, it's the people and the constant feeling of family. Family is everything. So I think that's one thing that Mr. Glidewell did want to ensure that was across his company. I felt it from day one, and I'm continuing to see it and feel it every day.
My favorite thing about Glidewell is just that the hands-on owner, all the things that he does for the company, the events for the family, it makes you feel more at home.
Not all the companies do this for the employees, So it's a very good thing from Glidewell to do this kind of picnics.
Well, the people are very friendly. Everybody works hard. It's an enjoyable work.
I love the people that I work with, my team. I really enjoyed to be there for the last 7 years.
I'm just amazed at the place. Since the moment I started there, everyone is so positive and beautiful there.
Company is very friendly. They provide a lot of benefits for the employee.
The experience, I've learned so many stuff about dental. I have had so many jobs. I've never had these kind of opportunities.
It's like an open environment. Like there's a lot of ethnicities, a lot of people. Like it's pretty open.
I love the fact that even your superiors can be even younger than you. Everything is an open opportunity. Anyone can move up if they want to and work as much as they want.
Whatever people say, is true about your family, the company, and they try the best, for everybody.
Well, I would say it would have to be the people, man. Everybody there's nice, everybody's so friendly. Come up to you and talk to you, and they make you feel at home there.
The opportunity that you have, the culture, the family, and nights like this. I think that's one of my favorite things in Glidewell.
We've been so happy. Thanks for everything.
Everyone has so much energy, and it's so fun, and everybody has a blast. That's what I like the most, is being with the family.